When you talk to SUV shoppers about what they're looking for in their new ride, safety will usually be one of the first things they mention. Most shoppers believe that crossovers and SUVs, in general, are safer than typical passenger vehicles. All SUVs aren't created equal when it comes to surviving a crash, though. 2022 Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai completely revamped the compact Tucson for 2022. The new model claims a spot atop our compact SUVs ranking and won both our 2022 Best Compact SUV for the Money and Best Compact SUV for Families awards. In IFS testing, Tucson earned a rating of good in every category on its way to IFS Top Safety Pick Plus designation. Upper trim models have headlights that earn a good rating, the organization's top mark. Lower trims earn an acceptable headlight rating, which is just below a good rating. The new model has yet to be thoroughly evaluated by NHTSA. All Tucsons are equipped with lane to keep assist, automatic high beam headlights, driver drowsiness monitoring, a rear seat reminder, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. 2022 Ford Bronco Sport. The 2022 Ford Bronco Sport is a capable, comfortable compact SUV with more inclement weather and off-highway capability than most class rivals. In addition to claiming a spot in the upper half of our compact SUV ranking, the Bronco Sport has a nearly perfect safety score. In testing by NHTSA, the Bronco Sport earned a 5 out of 5 star overall safety rating, with perfect marks on all but its rollover evaluation, where it earned 4 stars. In IFS testing, the Bronco Sport received ratings of good and a Top Safety Pick Plus designation. Every Ford Bronco Sport features blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep assist and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Lane centering assist and evasive steering assist are available. 2022 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid. Like its non-hybrid sibling, the 2022 Hyundai Tucson Hybrid has a great safety score. Its accolades don't end there. It also sits atop our hybrid SUVs ranking and is the winner of our 2022 Best Hybrid and Electric SUV for the Money Award. The EPA rates the Tucson Hybrid's fuel economy at 37 miles per gallon in the city and 36 miles per gallon on the highway. Hyundai equips its compact hybrid SUV with a broad array of safety technologies. They include blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, rear cross traffic alert, driver drowsiness monitoring, and automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection. Its vehicle exit warning system helps prevent occupants from opening doors into the path of approaching traffic. 2022 Tesla Model Y. The battery electric Tesla Model Y earns a nearly perfect safety score with top-notch marks from both NHTSA and IFS. It's in IFS Top Safety Pick Plus, too. Every 2022 Tesla Model Y comes standard with lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, 360-degree parking sensors and automatic high beam headlights. Its automatic emergency braking system features pedestrian and cyclist detection. Tesla includes its autopilot technology in the Model Y. It is neither a safety system nor an autonomous driving system. Autopilot is an advanced driver assistance system that takes some of the load off a driver but requires that the driver remains engaged and able to regain control of the vehicle at any time. 2022 Buick Enclave. The 2022 Buick Enclave is a 3-row crossover with seating for 7 and a long list of standard safety features. Buick's largest crossover SUV has a near-perfect safety score and claims a spot in the upper half of our midsize SUVs ranking. In testing by IFS, the Enclave scores top marks in every category. NHTSA hasn't completed testing of the vehicle, but the Enclave did receive a rating of 4 out of 5 in the agency's rollover evaluation. Buick outfits every Enclave with blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, lane keep assist, automatic high beam headlights, and a rear seat alert. Its automatic emergency braking system features pedestrian detection. All Enclaves include Buick's teen driver system, allowing parents to set limits on what their kids can do while driving and giving them a report card on their teens' driving habits. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.